Yaba, I'm Germany a coy, the party over now, Bra, so to Ahumuza. Yaba, a bunch of Friday. I'm more father, so kind of weather now. I am very cozy. Send a weather now, I know, on you to live in a kind. Send me a weather now, you know. Or mean, Sunny Fast for Sophie Giant today. Yen Chichas on a Mumpe Bible King Kind. What's in yes, I weather, yes, I know. Oh, perfor leg, wow. Meaning the Sandra or him, a judgment, a mere Adom. Entertainment time, a Ghana for Chimois.
When you start sending, where do you go? Sister sending be a guy.
I'm the guy, straight up. Yeah, was no. Say, I may feel. I need part of fan of smoke pet. Or lie, will be a moting could be account or smoke pet. That's what smoke on some Ghana's entertainment prophet and Kadama and your friend. What I'm saying, China, ye Easter, Easter and Sudie. Yes, who sorry, and ye, why will Luberton was sorry. Oh, who corals. I was saying Teresa's one of my number. Uncle Henry Abema Franca Sempa. Sounds as you made you go aquam, the door soup pa. May Saka, me brabako, I will fear her say, and an interesting como. Me who tight and Mr. Kai, or was somebody hot. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sandra.
Me Patra Quaba.
Yeah.
Why for?
When
done is when you match Let's talk about the events.
Yeah, sure.
Easter.
Yeah.
Purpose of the show, no anything.
Time you player, you per se you transforming society.
Good.
And see play by way, no, and society. It's saying Easter. Used to be was sorry, no. They per se, per se transform society through our place.
Oh,
yeah. So that's what we are doing. What we are doing.
You name the covenant sounds to me. When you who play now say covenant then you know say you are up for something good. Which is guy, you get it back. Yeah. Because the event, we know what he can do. But why the title? The title was
The Saints in the Devil's Shoes.
Chish! Yeah. The Saints in the Devil's Shoes.
Yeah.
Hey, well, when you talk about everybody, it's one Kakra, we say, hey, my
The Saints in the Devil's Shoes, it's a one character play. Means the whole play, yeah, for over 2 hours.
Crazy.
It's not an original musical.
Okay.
Mature in 11 for the song for the play.
Hey,
yeah,
11 songs.
Yeah, every song will be play no better. It's a song that has been written from scratch.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Serious production there.
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah. And there's something no one should miss. Very exciting, very entertainment. Yeah.
It's what you're saying, no.
150 CDs.
Pet.
Yeah, pet.
You made 11 songs free. Pet.
Yeah.
And you heard rating as well.
Yeah, happy on National Theatre.
Okay.
Yeah, so 150 CDs. Obi opeso to ticket piano. Obe dial star 714.
The guitar.
Yeah. Star 714 star 003 star 9 hash. Star 714 star 003 star 9 hash. And I say Bragate no na beto.
Because the gate one so you come. Chanko no back you do like to phone do. It all say about near beto. It will be tickets be like tickets na kasa be at all.
Oh, gate. Is that a short code and I say gate?
All right, that's simple.
Yeah.
It went me and dial short code. You do mukani and now went me and dial. Just walk straight to the gate, National Theatre.
Yeah.
I think somewhere in 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days. Next week Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
So Easter Friday, Easter Saturday.
In a week.
Yeah, exactly in a week.
Okay.
Next week, Easter into a holiday.
Aye.
Yeah, into Easter Friday, Easter Saturday, National Theatre, 3 p.m. first show, 7 p.m. second show. For each day. 3 p.m., 7 p.m. each day.
Yeah. Item 13. I won't bet you.
Who's the play? No, the way I tell no. Oh, but item 13.
Oh, yeah, the way I talk about
no.
Okay, sorry, man, Miss Saudi. Jesus Christ. Man! Oh, good to have you.
Thank you.
And I'll do any messy yeah. People, this is the guy. Really? Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
It's my first time meeting you.
Same here.
Nice meeting you.
Thank
That's
you
the
so
fish. I mean, make idea.
What
should I do with drama that
Oh, me is not my idea.
Gasa. Next time I have a metro
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Oba number be na obi be frɛ na when your information
there. Offering piano 054 609 8082 054 609 8082 for any inquiries. We are just for a number.
Just call.
Yeah.
I'm so excited because me who that. My 2D. This is my first time seeing you. Can you imagine? Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
having me. Thank you.
I don't know if it's a trailer. I better real quick and I say yes. I heard flyer. No, if a trailer, you heard I heard flyer. No, one more time. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you too.
Have a good morning.
Same to you.
Thank you. I tell you, you better so real quick. Yeah, share flyer. No, now your details. I was the saint in the devil's shoes. The devil you know is better than the devil you don't know. Where they get the angel you don't know.
Yeah.
Interesting. I mean, I do my new week because one National Theatre, 150 Ghana City. Cool. 11 songs, one man play. You don't want to miss this. Kwabnansa. This is the guy. It's you know, I waba bomenyum cool and bina me for next one no and she so for more. Yeah, can Lord Terria Chemo men find chia Cassia Emma Celestine or Golden Star WhatsApp Mines. From Lord Terry, I'll say happy birthday. And Emanuela Fain, our Elmina, Ningen every Lord Terry, the baddest reporter ever in the Western region. Mesaka Nyaminipa. No, would share more or your voice for a particular generation. Now, the I am a doubt about him, no cry. Also, a Jesus addict. Now, I say, chai, hi, my anima cat on school to Babascata. Hey! Or I was in the hurry. I was going to go out and hope on for TV anymore. Hey, Bray, brother.
I would
Where am Papa? I acquire besides show me better. I show me by an idea. Go was that. Aquaba. Get anymore. We're family. But so be sure they dikaya.
Yeah.
I can't say introduce yourself in a minute. Who are you?
Okay, auntie. Me the David Bethel. And me a Christian in particular. And the idea I'm a Mijana is more of me Christian music. Me too Adom sorry. Me so many. And the Bible say yembo the runa sempana. To me, one of the ways I may and yom to. The end of the Mijana, I think they are very enough for now.
Sanya we mo ya no hu. Why say I din me Christian. Be man Mike Mane Mike was sorry do be no. Bra what should I win this about? What on you? If I could make a class and at was way.
Oh.
Better squad show. Make a car, me fista ka me Philly voice now. Oh, me Philly voice na yeah.
Oh, okay. I do me this
What dey be ko look.
Yeah, that was your yanko. That was your yeah, that was your way be my. That was your dad.
Adiawayo.
Adiawayo.
We are not carry me praise this. We are not Tonyo Bahasa. I found baby asa. Aqua baby.
Oh, that's all the go baby.
And I'm the journalist. Me too firm kakra. Na Jumedi no say a friend is saying
100 minutes of hymns. Yeah, 100 minutes.
Yeah, 100 minutes.
Yeah.
That's 60. That's 100 minutes.
1 hour 40 minutes.
What do you to make a wow. Hymns in Kwa.
But hymns never meaning.
Okay.
And say, okay, Bible now. You share Ephesians 5:18.
Good.
Paul said, "Do not be drunk with wine." I know the best say, okay, 19. I say, be filled with the Spirit. You know, singing with each other in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs. Okay. The hymns never no. The meaning of that hymn, like songs that are a change and coupon is super and in and technically, it's not just the hymnals, but okay, about worshiper. I say you may change and coupon is super or your cron or your kese or you say, and then in Numa, his deliverance. Sorry. That's beautiful. Maybe a chomuka, then a friend worship me, sorry, and you make it that time now. I'll be a friend hymnals and I say psalms. And there's a meaning. Wow. And they are too. Wow. Indeed, you are Jesus addict. Because I know where you quotation once a boy, so do not be drinking once or when him in ass. But yes, do not be drinking wine. Be drinking, I may ask him when hymns. We'll be just so hallelujah. I say no, who's a squad with you, my wife grace. But home coffee pepper. Only you can do. Do. And some other people. Yeah, TMC music.
Okay.
Manuel Bless. Very
nice. Okay. Oasis House, Trinity Baptist. Opposite UPSA.
Yeah.
As I get your acquaint.
David.
I think so. Or he you give to class or something. Wow. Oh, I get your acquaint. UPSA. Fashion go map cross UPSA signature queen.
Exactly.
Fair. Over this crowd.
Oh, David.
Hey, who you
and I mean, me feel say and says sikaye I consider mo be a person be sorry nyame.
Wow. Wow.
Ebi I no be person oba. But ebi I 200 cedis, 300 cedis.
Na sini kwa.
Na
ye akanimu. Oh.
Instead of no. Omo ebi omo nsa wo bi near the person omo so dwumedi na sen. That one is better.
Yes,
so that be exactly. So na be ye be mo bi.
We dey here in
ticket. We ticket to be
okay. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's CP. To be number be na obi person offer for further information be na wa frɛ wa.
Okay. Yeah, sure. It's 0245 006271. 0245 006271.
Thank you.
And social media platforms, baby, David Bethel. The one you may bring to our bunting.
Maybe me bebo ba ko kra mo ane sa me bebo ba ko amo yeah that's so by o say I match sorry na nyezo na organizing a show is something say me bra bre o man nkwada o na ye shia o
just the next time so catch
me na da bra he match dey bia say ya dey sorry na fra wate ya me nka ho na dwumadi no embra
me show any so
sa o I guess you
be can it
oh yeah backstage o ka so nyum bebre ho no yentie na nyum nim ba ko ye ba ya to aso say me catch you say bra no gina di ni say weather no na fam no wo de o ye we wo ko hia no dwumadi na say you are not missing pastor final words to obi o hwe obi a
yeah I mean me say obi atia say Christianity is real, God is real, heaven is real, hell is real. And mo be another. And mo be another. And lastly, and especially for the event,
okay.
Tembia obinya akwanya say obe sorry nyame no. I have been taken for granted.
Good.
You see, I ebi mo ha ebi America. I mean, God forbid, baby our yare cancer be. And nyame san yare a oba sorry a. The way obe say sorry nyame ehuri asan because say Yankopon san yare. But omo a Yankopon obo ho ban se na be ya sa cancer na yare mpo no mo nya bi no. Omo aya na yare fi say one koton so hen mpo na me you. And that is the perfect gift. That's the biggest life.
The biggest of all.
And see, any opportunity to thank God, no, you just have to thank Him because baby, any day you knew So I just want to invite everybody. April 13th, this opportunity Sunday, Oasis Trinity Baptist Church. Na yen sorry, I'm
that's about it. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
It's David Bethel. Ni ene no church en common. Yen san share. Ne nyom kakra ya ba. Komo e di chire media to aso. Oh, big shout to DJ Scooby or Enzema FM. The baddest. About saying this graphic designer na you the best. Na me change man watch it Scooby. Nyame shall pay. Happy birthday to Teresa, aka Stompus. Oh, says she be quiet, Sister Teresa. Almost sing Nyame in shroud. Now to the big story. And I'm here and I'm home say Ghana Sini Chenny, Abaya, son of a Fefe with a sexy leg. Yvonne Nelson. No, not this. Yvonne Nelson say, oh, who came in at? Well, I'm trying now. I'm wishing me very happy birthday. What's it? Nestina, a Rama, a Machichre. Beautiful Foundation Montessori Center. Nestina, a Rama, a Machichre. Of Beautiful Foundation Montessori Center. Yamin Shop, away from me, honum. And you'll be saying for myself, baby girl. Big 10, Yamin in Shroud per year. Or for you one. And for one, a dear qua Germany, no. Oh. Yeah, where the happy birthday, Muham. The Empire bought hedge there, Yabeba Germany. Oh, for one, the biggest event organizer in Germany. From my boss, Welbeck Kufiam Pedu. Also, a German bogas or the Alice Good Alice Kla 48. That's serious. Big 48. Bravo, that dog go home or a big Takuma Germany where all white party in the boat. Then they Africa day. What I'm Pedwada, my ever quite Germany, Mumeja. At the end of that, about your empire, bro, for happy birthday from everybody. Each one of us here, Welbeck Kofi and Pedro, myself. And Thomas, Frank, wow, Obi, I just hear you never Germany, Obi here. Yamin Shaw, big 48, happy sumptuous birthday. When Yvonne else in there na, Weber, for who came in, Jempon, na. Gone where the days I go school, na teacher need to me discipline. What I say, assembly na teacher need it me discipline. Some of us discipline, and if you discipline, kwana ma ye discipline. No. School teachers need discipline. Come home, and ye well trained. So Yvonne Nelson said, no teacher has the right to cane someone's child. Say na moyo na makofa organization come from say human rights adi and amaya na yesi say teacher ni bi amwa kwala bia. But on say akwaya sa no kwala ne bebre na so ye wayward. Aya ko social na so kohwe. Eno na akwaya ne kwala bebre ate praga. Enti no moma teachers ni discipline wo mo. Na teachers fon so ye be sere mo say mo discipline so ana sebita frache. Mo de adwen ato ho kakra se na be ya umpra obi ba. Because some of the teachers no omutimi bua na yaba na bia nanim na so den came bo bi ba anim. What I say? Ti no the king na hia kwala na nanim nyina so that is wrong. But sad days na ye fe bi stimulate I wanna check. Ko bi some artists of Uganda. Ye disciple ba out no say about pew 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 pew. Na say stimulate na say wo je wa ne guy no. Mo fa sa discipline na man kwala na o mo say. It is this day Yvonne. You know ya adwen sa na won ya adwen. Mama teachers for your majuma. Amunjai some interrupted teacher for Juma na debia teacher mengi sini. No, they are trained teachers, they know what they are about. On that note, Mapon Mark Weber. I am a director, Santi Ashima go this year, escape from Ponana Mark Weber. Warning the teacher, Wakasabumi Sumu ye Jumaning supervised by Welber Kufian Pedu. Master Thomas Waha, Eddie Waha, Hidden Glow, Florence Morte, and a no chimenim, King or Small Sis. Yes, sir. Big up yourself, King or Small. And to you, my Americana, and the entire team, Thomas, I'm the Guy's Queen. Same time, Monday, I will be back. Till then, bye for now.